So with Screencast-o-matic, you'll be able to record your lectures from your desktop computer or from your laptop. So to begin with, you'll want to go to screencast-o-matic.com, which is this URL up here. Click Start Recording for Free, which will begin a download process. For this, you'll maybe need to go through some verification and click and dragging some files. But once that's done, click Launch Free Recorder. It'll give you a little pop-up up here. Just click Open. And it'll say that it was successful. And once this screen shows up, you'll know that the application is fully running. So for your options to record, you have your screen, your webcam, or both your screen and webcam. Just be noted that if you do use a webcam, that the Screencast-o-matic is properly connected to either your external one or the one on your computer. This next point is important. For the free version, you have a 15-minute time limit per lecture per video. So let's say you have a 45-minute lecture. You'll want to likely segment that into 3 to 4 videos. So just properly plan ahead for that. For the size, this just shows the size of your recording. For example, if I only want to record this much of the screen, I can just click and drag here. If I want to record the whole screen, I can just drag it all the way down. Narration, that just shows that your audio recording is properly working. So for example, when I talk, the little green is showing. Computer audio, you'll likely never need to use this unless you're showing, for example, a YouTube clip during the middle of your lecture as an example, where you'll need to hear the audio for it. But otherwise, you can just keep that off. And if you ever want to minimize the screen or show it again, just click the little gear icon. So before you begin your recording, you'll want to pull up maybe your PowerPoint presentation that you have or any other information that you'll need. But once you are ready, click the red record button and it'll give you a countdown. And from here, just continue with your lecture, say what you need to say. But once you're done, just click the red button again. And from here, if you click the little play button, you'll be able to go through your recording and see if there was any mistakes you made, if you need to redo it, or if what you did was fine. If it wasn't fine, though, you can just click this little trash icon and just begin the process over again. But if you are done or you want to edit your video, click the Done button. You have your edit video or save and upload. Here, we'll just do save and upload. You can save it as a video file, you can upload it to Screencast-o-matic, or you can upload it to YouTube. We'll just do it to a video file. You'll need to save it to a folder. For here, I just have it set to my desktop, but if you want to change it, just click here, just click Folder and then Browse. But once you're done, click Publish. And then click Done, and that'll show you that you have successfully saved your lecture video. And if you need to do another one, just go back to screencast-o-matic.com/screen recorder, click Launch Free Recorder, open Screen Recorder Launcher, and you can begin the process over again.